I use now Atirsapatide. That's now my second week injection journey. I'm in 2.5 milligram. So I showed to you how to make it disinfection. And first hand disinfection. Okay. So I injection myself so first I make it Tirsepatide disinfection. I make my belly. So I was in second week now, and I lose past 2 kilo in just my 1 week. So I'm in 2.5 milligrams. So I make 25 units. So I have 25 units. Must be the bubble house. That's maybe no loop. And I make injection in my belly. Must be 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we see in my third week journey of Tirsepatide. Sorry for my cuts and belly. Thank you.